Deloitte is one of the largest consulting firms on the planet. And last year, this corporate giant made $59 billion in revenue. Although college students dream about lucrative careers at Deloitte, they often overlook its many scandals, which include overworking its employees, countless audit failures, and even misusing government information. But for all its imperfections, Deloitte stands above its competitors in one respect: branding. Everything about Deloitte's colors, fonts, styles is worthy of emulation, and maybe even misusing. This is how to emulate Deloitte's branding in Excel. Let's replicate this Deloitte bar chart in Excel, which shows Deloitte's headcount by year. FYI, you can download this workbook for free in the description below. Step 1. Template your colors. Did you know that every color in Excel has its own special code? It's called a hex code. And on the left-hand side, I have Deloitte's hex codes for this bar chart. We can template these colors in Excel to capture the brand. Go to Page Layout, Colors, Customize Colors, and then punch in all the hex codes to template Deloitte's brand. Step 2. Visualize the bar chart. I entered the headcount data from the bar chart in Excel in the top left-hand corner. I also created a second column called blank, but I'll explain that later. To insert the bar chart, select the data using Ctrl-A, Insert, Insert Bar Chart, and Stacked Column. Let's remove the grid lines, title, and legend using the delete key. We'll also convert all fonts to Mediator Narrow, which, according to 1000logos.net, is close to Deloitte's brand font. We'll invert the bars by clicking Select Data and placing headcount above the blank entry. And for a personal touch, let's transform these light green bars into ninja icons, which are way cooler than Deloitte's generic person in a circle icon. By the way, there's an entire list of cool and terrible icons built into Excel. First, insert the ninja, click it, and copy it using Ctrl-C. Then click the light bars and paste using Ctrl-V. Remember this blank column? I added values of 950 to right size the ninjas. Otherwise, they look strange if I select another value. Now we'll add the number labels by clicking the bars and inserting data labels. Increase the font size for the headcount labels and click Ctrl-B to bold them. Finally, let's move them below our ninjas by selecting Inside End. Let's apply the pitch black Deloitte look to our fonts and apply it to our fiscal years using Format Painter. Now we'll format the bars by selecting them, clicking Ctrl-1, and decreasing the gap width to 30%. Step 3. Finalize the brand. It's easy to change the color for each bar because we created the brand template earlier on. Remember that? Right-click on the bars one at a time and select the Deloitte colors, which are here in our template. And to add a personal touch, I'll change the 2022 headcount to white to create more contrast with the green and draw attention to the most recent headcount. I'll now show you one last cool feature with the icons. I can apply the Deloitte styles to the icons too by right-clicking, selecting styles, choosing a style, copying the new icon using Ctrl-C, selecting the ninjas, and applying the new style using Ctrl-V. The color templates allow us to be super creative and to stay on brand. And that is how we emulate Deloitte's branding in Excel. Thank you for watching. I sincerely mean it. I'm going to be doing videos just like this one on PwC, McKinsey, Bain, and other consulting giants in the world. So if you've enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Do you want to boost your career and income potential with Microsoft Excel? Check out our 2-hour mini courses down below. And as always, thanks for watching.